Jai Gurudev to everyone. This is Meenakshi and I am taking the revision on lesson number 1, Knowing Numbers Integers, exercise number 1.3, class 7th. Okay, so the third question it is given. I am not taking all the questions, some of the hard questions I am taking, which are so with which we can clarify our doubt. Okay, so the question number 3 it is given. Evaluate minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 8 times. So 8 times we have to multiply minus 3 with itself. So we will write minus 3 8 times, so that in a solution minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 means 8 times we will write minus 3 as it is given to multiply minus 3 8 times. So it is over 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So when 8 times we multiply minus 3 with itself, we will get the answer as 6561. Now notice the one important thing here, that here 8 times we have to multiply minus 3 with itself, and 8 is the even number. 8 is the even number. When even times the minus sign is multiplied with itself, then the result will be positive, means with plus sign. So notice here minus into minus is plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus is minus. So here we got minus, so our result, plus, so here our result will be positive 6561. Then the next question it is given. Evaluate minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 how many times? 503 times. So it is not possible to multiply 503 times, but we know that 1 into 1 is 1, again 1 into 1 is 1, means we will multiply 1 with itself 503 times, we will get result as 1. But here minus 1 it is given. When minus 1 is multiplied 305 times, and 305 is odd number. When we multiply a number with negative sign, how many times? 503 times. It means odd number of times, then our result will be negative. So here in solution I can write minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into 503 times, which is equals to minus 1. Then the next question it is given. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 how many times we have to multiply? 10 times. So 10 times means it is an even number. It means answer will come plus 1. It means positive, means because 1 into 1 is 1. So here the solution will be minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 how many times? 10 times, and 10 is even numbers. When we multiply 10 times minus 1 with itself, we will get answer as plus 1. Then the next question is given. Verify the following. So now verify means here two sides are given, that is with 12 into minus 17 plus 5 equals to 12 into minus 17 plus 12 into 5. So we have to simplify this both side, as two sides are given here, that is right hand side this one is, and this one is left hand side. So when we have to simplify here both sides, and by simplifying we have to see that both sides are equal or not. If both the sides are equal, then we can say our answer is verified. If it is not, then answer is not verified. So we will simplify. So I will write in the solution 12 into minus 17 plus 5 equals to 12 into minus 17 plus 12 into 5. First remove the bracket, So that is 12 into minus 17 I will write, and plus 5 as here it is given. Then here 12 into minus 17 I will write as it is. Then plus 12 into 5 also I will write as it is. So what I did in this step, I have removed this bracket. Now after that 12 into, first simplify the bracket, minus 17 and here it is given plus 5. Minus and plus is minus. It means 17 minus 5 we have to do, and 17 minus 5 is equals to 13. But here minus 17 means 17 is a greater number, so I will write here the sign as minus 13. Then equals to, here it is given 12 into minus 17, and 12 into minus 17 is minus 204, because plus minus is minus. So definitely I have to give the sign here of minus. Okay, then plus, simplify this bracket, 12 into 5 is equals to 60. Now multiply 12 into minus 13, and 12 into 13 is equals to 144, and here sign of minus is given, that's why I will write minus. That equals to minus 204 plus 60. So plus minus is minus, means from 204 we have to subtract 60. So when we subtract 60 from 204 we will get 144, and the sign I will write here minus, because 204 is a greater number. So here we got both sides are equal, so we can write here as LHS equals to RHS, means left hand side is equals to right hand side, and if both sides are equal means we can write it is verified. So this is how we have to verify.